Don't sleep, my friend. You have to pay £5.
I'm going now.
Huh?
I'm going in the car.
You have to pay hotel money, £5.
Now what time?
Huh?
I'm going now,
I don't know. You already sleep 2 hours.
He's playing.
£5 each. Each hour, £10 you have to pay.
Very cold outside. That's why I'm sleeping.
Huh? Okay, you can sleep, no problem.